experience with working with Tuhfs is that they are very helpful. I must say that they've been very helpful, and they hold your hand through everything. You can literally at any time just pick up the phone, speak to your portfolio manager, and explain to him that okay, these are the problems that I'm faced with. You can even call and set up a meeting. They come out on site at any time, and yeah, I must say that without Tuhfs, it would have been rough.
One of the things about working with Tuhf that I've appreciated, even as someone sort of on the side, not the person directly working with them, is over the last, I don't know how many years it's been, the last 10 years or so, they have always been very welcoming, very helpful, and the focus is on education.
I'm really thankful for that, and I really appreciate it. If it wasn't for Tuhf, I don't think this opportunity would have been there, even for my father also. So for Tuhf taking a coin of confidence on him, they did it also for the rest of the family, people like me.
So my experience with Tuhf has been anything but negative. It's been very positive. It's actually inspired me to want to do more business with Tuhf because it's been good. I appreciate their support that they provide us with. As I said, being a first-time funder, so they literally walked the journey with me and held my hand, and I do appreciate that.